Alright, so let's evaluate some functions here. So we have f of x equals 7x plus 2. Find f of 0. So right now we have f of x equals 7x plus 2. We want to find f of 0. That's what we want to find. Alright? So what did we plug in for x here? 0. That's why we had the 0 there. So that means when I rewrite this, 7x plus 2, I want to write it as 7. Wherever there's a variable, I'm going to put parentheses plus 2. Now, what goes inside the parentheses? 0, my input. I'm inputting 0. When I input 0, I'm going to get an output. So f of 0 equals, and then really if you plug that into the calculator exactly the way it is, 7 parentheses 0 plus 2, you'll be able to get your answer. But what's 7 times 0? 0. What's 0 plus 2? 0. So the answer is 2. If you want to use your calculator, if you want to check my work, plug that into your calculator, see if you get the same thing. All right? The f and the what? 0. The 0, yeah. So whatever's inside here, whatever our input is, we're going to input it into the equation for the output. All right? Because once we input it into the equation, it's going to give us an output. Does that make sense? Yeah. You got a question mark here? What's up? How is it 2? Well, again, plug into your calculator. Put 7 parentheses 0 in parentheses plus 2. Put that in your calculator and you get 2. But if you want to do it just mathematically, what is 7 times 0? No. Yes, 0 times anything is going to be 0. So 7 times 0 is 0. And then so you take 0 plus 2 is 2. So kind of do some work down here on the bottom. 7 times 0 plus 2. Well, 7 times 0 is 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. All right. When in doubt, though, just use that calculator. Okay, use that calculator. Put the parentheses in, and then just plug it in exactly the way it says. Huh? It wouldn't do it? It went dead? Oh, man, I get going to get a new one. All right, so it says k of p equals negative 1/5 p plus 7. So it wants us to find k of 10. So let's write down k of 10. All right, now we need to rewrite our equation, except for that p, we're going to put parentheses. So negative 1/5 parentheses plus 7. Notice that's the same thing that's up here. It's just instead of the p, we put parentheses. Now, Adam, what goes inside the parentheses? The 10, yeah, good work. The 10 goes inside the parentheses. Now we rewrite it in the function notation. K of 10 equals, what's negative 1/5 times 10 plus 7? Well, again, that's why we have our calculator. We can just plug it in, and Justin got 5. Can somebody double check Justin's work? A lot of participation going on. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, thank you, Adam. Yeah, go ahead and plug that in. Because that is correct, Justin. That is. I just want to make sure we're double checking your work. Parentheses 10. Yeah. Did you get it? No? Here, let me see it. Let me plug into the calculator so I can show all the fans out there what to do. Okay? So, in your calculator, negative 1/5. So, I would put in negative, and then I'd press the fraction button, which is right above the 7. You click that, and you get the fraction. 1 down 5. And then you're going to press right to get outside the fraction. then you press parentheses 10, and then what is it? Plus 7 plus 7, and you get 5. 5 is the correct answer. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Any questions on that one? Any questions at all? Perfect.
Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications as well. Bye.